Hello. Hi. You again. Listen, my good friends, today is a good day. It's a Thursday. I call it a little Friday. Today, I'm doing a little very important thing for the every single shower. It's called waterproofing. You gotta have a waterproofing. If your waterproofing is done right, your house is gonna collapse. You're gonna have a water damage. You're gonna have a mold. You're gonna have rats underneath the house. You're gonna have everything. This guy right here, it's a liner. It's approved by everybody, Canada and America. PVC, 40 mil. And I'm using this last 15 years. I used to use a tar, hot mop, but I don't like it anymore because it crumbles in the corners. You know, California is known for little baby earthquakes. We don't know that. You're sleeping at night like a baby, but the house is shaking, and your bathroom is shaking, and the waterproof is shaking. That means it crumbles, and you got a leak. This liner never crumbled or never cracked, but it gotta be installed properly. You gotta be installed properly. You only need two tools. You need this, and you need a staple gun. And a little silicone, clear silicone. That's what you need for this. And it's very affordable. It's way cheaper than go with a hot mop, okay? The reason I'm putting on my truck, you're probably wondering why I'm putting my truck, huh? Because we are expecting a storm today in San Jose, and God give me 15 minutes of sun. Thank you, God. Because it's supposed to be soft, because if it's too hard, it's hard to work with, you know what I mean? And my truck is big truck, and engine is still hot. And I put on top to loosen it, and that's it. God damn it.
All Dalmatian tile for your custom residential remodeling needs.